Hollywood horror become a little cliche and usually it comes with a lot of jump scares and repetitive content. That's why this week I come up with better screenplay Thai horror movies to entertain and scare your weekends. So without further ado, let's get started. The story centers on two enthusiastic doctors. After witnessing a haunting in the hospital, they both set out to try and prove the existence of the paranormal activities, using a litany of tools and the disposal to do so. As the movie progresses, the two take a downturn on the dark path, intent on proving the research no matter what.
ประตูความลับจักรวาลแม่งเปิดขึ้นต่อหน้าพวกเราแล้วเว้ยความอยากรู้ของกูมันหยุดไม่ได้แล้ววะ
This movie is not like a regular spooky horror thriller with unexpected jump scares and ominous score. This movie shows the process of searching a scientific proof for the paranormal activity to prove the ghosts really exist. Even though it is a fiction, but the emotional element in the story makes the movie worth watching. It can be watched once for its content and making. Movie is 18 plus to watch.
กูจะเป็นคนฆ่าเบย์
In a faraway village lived an innocent teenage girl who discovered herself inheriting a curse. At night, her head would detach from her body and hunts for flesh and blood. This causes havoc in the village and they started to search and hunt down the demon.
พวกมันเลยต้องคอยหลบซ่อนๆและหนีจากการตามล่า
I just felt this is an underrated Thai movie because the content and the plot is worth watching. I really like the background score and the acting. But again, there is no horror content in the movie, but it doesn't come to your mind while watching the movie. It is an 18 plus to watch.
ต้องเป็นกระสือ
Two girls make a pact to commit suicide, but one's back out at the last second. 20 years later, the ghost of the girl who died wants to complete the pact with the survivor's daughter.
ยังขอโทษนะที่วันนั้นฉันทิ้งแกไปแล้วก็ไม่เคยมาหาแกเลยแต่แกอย่ามายุ่งกับลูกของฉันได้ไหม
They promise present the audience with the gorgeous cinematography. A real-world setting that is an haunting as it is stunning, and an incredible premise completed by edge of the seat tension. But I feel somehow it is not enough. They could have added more scary parts, but apart from that, this is a well-directed movie with an 18 plus view rating.
ได้
A young photographer Thun and his girlfriend Jane discovers mysterious shadows in the photograph that fleeing the scene of an accident. As they investigate the phenomena, they find other photographs contain similar supernatural images, that the Thun best friend are being haunted as well. And Jane discovers that her boyfriend has not told her everything. Again, it is not that scary as you might expect, but I really like the plot. The saddest part is you can predict the scenes at most part, but still the acting makes up for these limitations. The movie progresses slowly, but the climax and the ending is very much worth the wait. Movie is an 18 plus to watch. A young projectionist, Chen, decides to illegally record a newly released horror movie. After falling asleep during the screening, he wakes to find that his co-mate has disappeared and left his camera behind. Suddenly, the horror movie that they were watching in the cinema starts to happen to them in real life.
แล้วเขาอยู่ไหนอะ
I never watched something like this. Movie is exceptional with this content, still this didn't scare me that much. But trust me, the hidden twist really thrilled me to watch the entire movie. Movie is an 18+ to watch. If you like to know more movies and series, please stay tuned to our channel and do follow our Instagram page for more updates.